Hi, I'm Rajaratnam Kanagarajan, founder CEO of Essar Engineers. In this episode, we are going to see something very interesting. What is in my travel on coconut travel, when I found some product called Cocotella in the market. It was very interesting. This was a product manufactured from coconut. So this is also called as a coconut butter. In this, what is the usage is like peanut butter and thing. A spread has been developed for from the coconut. So as soon as I saw this, I was so surprised and I started studying in depth about it. So after coming to India, I approached a lot of chocolate manufacturing companies how to make this. So I did some R&D and we have come out with a process in doing a coconut spread from coconut. So if anybody is interested in doing this project, you can contact me. I am ready to do an R&D project with you and develop a process and set up a machineries for you in a turnkey solutions. Thank you very much.